Hello everybody and welcome one more time to my channel. I'm Crypto B. I have been in crypto for the past 5 years and yes, the market is very heated, very nice. I bring some charts here. We have BIM on the 1 day. As you can see, BIM have broken the downtrend line here, as you can see on the 22nd, if I'm not wrong, 28th of June. And we start to go up ever since. And then I did a Fibonacci retracement here. I used this tool, which now we are in a first take profit zone, which is this one here. My second taking profit zone will be around here, so which is around 0.12. Okay, but we might have also some pulling back more or less around here. So expect some pullback around that area where you can see there around 209, right? So to there we have from where we are now another more or less another 30%, which is great. Okay, so that's for being remember to put stop loss and always take profits. That's very important. If I normally use stop loss, so I would go here. If it depends if you are in 1 hour, if you are in 1 hour chart, or if you're in 4 hour chart or 15 minutes, it depends how you are trading, but always remember to put your stop loss. Okay, so for example here now I would put here, let's say 15 minutes. If I am trading this, I would go here, pull all the way down here. I'm gonna use my templates that I have here. Of course there is taking profit. My second taking profit would be around this zone here, 208, if I'm doing 15 minutes trading. I expect to retrace in this area, as you can see here, chop zone. But if it's above 200 EMA, I'm happy with that. Okay, so just keep your eyes open for that. So let's go to another coin. Let's go to Sui. So here Sui, let's go Sui 1 day. Start, guys. Sui is absolutely crazy, but we might do a little pullback here on this area. Okay, so let's see what might happen here. Let's go there. Let's get my template for the Fibonacci. Let's go here. I want to say Fibonacci. So okay, as you can see here, this is my second taking profit zone around $7. Okay, we are on that, to me at least, we are here on that retracement that we might see Sui going back here if there is a pullback, obviously. So if there is a pullback, we might go, as you can see here, there's a little pullback. We might see something going, honestly, I don't think we're gonna go that low to then shoot again, right? I don't think that's gonna happen. But if we take, let's go 4 hours, on the 4 hours, maybe on 1 hour. So let's go here, up here. Let me take this, let me take this out. Fibonacci here. I also like to do, like, look at this candle here, guys. Look, all of this here, it's a 1 hour candle. Look at this 1 hour candle here. If we do here, it's the 1 hour candle here, you will see that we almost, look at this, we almost touch back here, right? So we went up to the taking, to my first taking profit, as you can see here. Look, my first taking profit zone over there, right? Brush. So my first taking zone, and then went down again, almost waiting to my waiting line, right? So if I didn't sell here, or you should take profits a little bit there, and then I wait a little bit into touch here, but it didn't touch here, so it shoot back again. So as soon as it goes down here, and this went down, let's see, it went down 4%, around 4 or 5%, and I think it did the same here when you reach here, 3% there. So it might go back. So it might go back, let's say, to this zone, right? So it might goes back to 6%, might go back, right? So if we do Fibonacci there too in this over here, is exactly on here. If we go here, look on my weighting there. I mean, this is my daily Fibonacci template, but this zone here, it's for me. If I'm trading with following the 1 hour candle, I would go back in there. And of course, taking profits would be around here on the 458, but always take putting stop loss. Okay, so you protect your money. And always, me at least, I always keep moving my stop loss all the way up. So as less I can lose, the better it is. Or not losing at all, that will be even better. So let me, where is it? I'm trying to find here. Here, if I go long, see, I would put my stop loss there where I said, right? Which is 4%, or you can even put up here, which is 2%, but I would give a little room, right? And my is which one did I say it was? I said take, so let's put it to see where we take profits. I said take profits here, so I would be thinking taking profits there, which would be 13% to take profit. So it's I'm not in this trade, by the way, but I think that would work in a good setup. But guys, let's bring it back to daily. My expectations for SUI is huge. Don't know if you guys seen, I posted shorts early on. By the way, I opened my new TikTok, so go and follow me on TikTok, as you guys can see over there. And I posted my prediction that I did 1 year ago. I called
the
this
at the moment it's 77 cents.
77 cents. I called SUI at 77 cents. Wow, 77 cents. So if we go to SUI charts. This is about a year ago. We are 1607. 1607. Guys, I called SUI June, July 16. Around here. There we go. 16. Here. So it was 77 here. So let's see. This is crazy. So here, if you hold this into from when I call it, you would have done 654%. Crazy. And then, of course, SUI went down. SUI went down here, 67. But we are up, baby. We are up. And I believe go there, go and check that go and check that short. My second profit taking is $11. Guys, I believe gonna be from $11 upwards. What do you think? Tell me, leave me in the comments. Leave the message on the comments. Let me know. So next coins, just for us to have a look, you know which one I am looking? Very interesting. This here. But of course, look at this. Crazy is this coin over here. Let's go there and find it. Let's use coin markup. It is This YME. Yes and no. These projects, look, it has done a nice pullback now. So it has done a nice pullback. If you look here, we are getting, look, it reached my chop zone. So we might see some, because this is crazy, right? Look at this, in 2 days, in 3 days, did 200%, 210%. So now, of course, health pullback, like I mentioned before. So we're gonna have a pullback. We are in the chop zone here. If it stays within chopping zone, trading and chopping zone, okay, we see next going up here again. First taking profit zone, and then I see something around here, which is 2 cents. But these coins, it was, let's go back here. This chart, it looks good, but I'm gonna go there to the Twitter and gonna give you guys some info. The all-time high for this coin, guys, it was here at 11 cents on the hype of the AI agent. Remember, on the hype of the AI agent. If we go here, where is it? Here, yes and no error. Read papers the same way AI billionaires read them. AI alpha detections methods used by top VCs and AI executives. This is a very, very, very good project. Here, read our XIV paper the same way the co-founders of 60 billion AI agents Anthropic read them. We are democratizing the research intelligence tool that billion-dollar AI companies use to stay ahead, access the same AI alpha detection method used by top VCs. It's very, 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 very interesting. I like this project. I do hold some coins, and I believe it's a high risk, but also high reward. So nothing is financial advice. Don't follow what I'm saying. But as you can see here, they're very active. The co-founder is this guy here, Matt. He's the co-founder or the creator, right? But he also is the co-founder of Octane AI. Bro, guys, this guy is full on working and coding. And they are, the nice thing as well, that they are moving into Base, to the Base chain. So this project is going to be on Base and on Solana. I think this is a hidden gem. So keep your eyes open for that. I do like these charts. Okay, I do like these charts. So look at this. He broke the downtrend, if you want to call it, and it starts something there. As you can see here, RSI, it went all the way at the top. It surpassed when it launched. That's how hype it was. There is doing a little retracement, which is nice. Do I have any? Sniper, let's see this. See, it can pull back again to around 1.3. I like this project, guys. I like this project. Keep your eyes on it. Don't go crazy investing. Do your own research. Make sure you go there, follow the project, check if it's something that is interests you. Again, let's check it. It has 2.35 million, 2.3 million in volume in the last 24 hours. The FDV here is at 7.6. Okay, fully diluted evaluation, which is 7 million. Imagine when this is at 100 million. So at the all-time high, this shoot at 90 million. This is great project, guys. Great project. Well, let's see how the AI will work. Let's see if I have another. I've been 15 minutes. Let me see. What about the shiny? This is the shining object on the space. Okay, shining object on the space. Pengu. Can Pengu go wild, crazy? I believe so. If I go here to my CoinMarketCap community, if you don't follow me here, follow me as well. Every day, daily charts, daily alpha for you guys. But I post this one here. Over 2.3k views. Crazy. Pengu just did the unthinkable. Broke the EMA 200 line. Volume exploded on the Fibonacci target of 3.4. I think we reached that. We reached that yesterday. My target is at 4.3, which is all-time high. The question is, can Pengu hit $1? That's why I created the dollar bill here with the Pengu. If you like this, share. I also posted this on my X account. So if you follow me here, you catch this as well. As you can see. Do you believe Pengu can do that? Let's have a look. So if you can see here, for this daily chart over here, we are at the taking profit. I mean, that is gone already, but the hype is too big. The hype is big. And we are not even, the bull market didn't even explode yet, but of course, expect some pullback around here. So we might go up for a little bit. We might even go up to this. We might even go up to 4.6. That is 33%. So we might still go up before going down again to this area and then shoot again, if you know what I mean. So and then of course we need to break the all-time high, which is around there, 5.8, and then profit zone. So can we try to guess? Guys, in crypto, remember, everything is about non-expectation, right? So where was I? Here to down here. So let's say it goes here, and then let's say we pull back here. I think there is a lot of room to grow. And then when you get to time to price discovery, do you know what also might happen as well? It could go all the way here, break this zone, this 4 or 5 zone, go back to this zone, right where we are more or less, and do a cap and handle, and then fly, which that means there will be something like where is it? It's not here. I have my video in the front, I cannot take it. Anyway, you know what I mean, right? But if we go, so let's go into a weekly. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is crazy. This chart is crazy. So we go here. Look at this, right? So with the Fibonacci worked here. So that would be there to 14 cents. 14 cents, not bad at all. Let's go then with Doge 15x. This, honestly, I look, if the hype carries on, I do believe that Pengu would reach close to where Doge is now. And it's not far ahead. This is 14x, right? Is would put Pengu at 48 cents. Possible, possible, crazy, but possible. For that's difficult, but for $1, and I don't think that would happen. Anyway, so now we need to be that's too much. We need to do around 60 billion, right? So if Doge now is at 30 billion and is close to 15x, we're close to 50 cents, we need to do around 60 billion. I think that's, unless things get out of control, which in crypto. San Francisco, I love San Francisco. It's very possible, but 48 cents, 15x, I believe, if carry on with the hype, it's very possible. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that would be possible too? Do you follow me on my TikTok? If you don't, do not. Let's see another. Do you guys want a hidden chant, or do you guys want just normal? Do you know another coins I like a lot? Is this charting looking good? Let's go in the daily. This is deep. I like that. I like this. I mean, almost every chart, guys, is similar. Broke the downtrend line. We are in an uptrend line, as you can see over here. I like to put this green to make me happy. We're there. And again, doing some pullback over here. If I put this retracement here for Fibonacci, yep, I always like to use my setup that I have here. If you want to use the same, you can pause the video and copy. I just put it there. I copied this from someone on YouTube as well because I thought it was really interesting. As you can see here, taking profit. My next target would be 34 cents for taking profit, but we have a resistance line here at these areas. So we need to, because we are here, right? So we need to actually break the 22 cents, 25 cents mark, and then go back to my 34 cents mark. Remember, if you're trading these in a short period of time, always make sure you put take as much as you put taking profits, always put to stop loss. Okay, if we do this here in a 15 minutes there, I would probably be doing the same thing. I would be going here, drop in there, and then see here as you can, is in my weight. So I'm gonna wait a little bit to see if it's gonna go inside my chopping zone. So this area over here, and then wait to see if I could get a better entrance, because we could see something. I could see come down to those zone over here, and if it does come down to those zone, and then I would have a better entrance. But if you don't mind that, and then and if it does go through this, and then of course maybe wait a little bit like this, because and then would buy the dip. We don't want to see breaking down this area here, so we don't want to see breaking down here. Oops, we don't want to see breaking down here and go all the way back to 16. We don't want to see that, right? We want the momentum to carry on as it is. We have momentum there. We want to see that upline healthy and good going up. We don't want to break it down here. See, so if you break it down the line, we don't want to see this going down too low. So let's the momentum keep pushing. But my target for deep would be 19. No, we are there. Would be 25 cents, 25.7, and then 34 cents. That would be amazing. all right, which is the all-time high, but it falls in exactly with the retracement tool that I had. That would be super cool. What else do I have for you guys? Let's see on my Twitter if I have anything specific here. So we talk about Beam or Jupiter. I think Jupiter is great. Did I give Jupiter? I think I did on the beginning of this video. Check out my top meme coins, things you should go in and shouldn't. In my opinion, again, no financial advice. Please help me to promote my TikTok and also help me here on Twitter. What is better? What would you drink, Tui or Solana? I have some nice stuff here on Twitter as well. You guys can have a look. Yeah, that's it. So I think that's for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I found a different way of to create videos now. I cannot go live from the time being because I'm moving a lot of stuff in my house, but hopefully I can go back doing live streaming. That would be great, so I can be with you guys. And yeah, absolutely. Super love to be back, and thank you very much. You guys like my new look? I have a new hair. I got some tats. Don't know if you guys like some tats. And be safe out there. Take profits. Few things to remember before you go. If you stay until now, you deserve this. Few things to consider. Take profits on the way up. Be careful with scam. Please do not, like last cycle, I got scammed. That was horrible. Be careful with that. Be safe. Don't run after the pumps. You will have other opportunities to go in the market, and be careful. And in the end, Wagami, we're all gonna make if you're patient and you're here in the market for a long time. Remember, I don't know where I heard this, but we have 3 cycles to make it. First cycle, you lose money because you are learning and you don't know stuff. So you're learning, it's your learning process, but you lose a lot of money. That happened to me. Second cycle, to make money. Now you know a lot of stuff and you should be making money this cycle. That's my second cycle, which is me. So I'll tell you my journey. And next cycle, 2030, is when you will become millionaire. So if it's your first cycle here, don't rush. You will potentially make money now if you are lucky, or if you are making, if you get a luck hit on a meme coins, or if you're following my channel here and you be focused, okay, and be careful. But what I'm telling you, what happened to me, normally on the first cycle, because you don't know, I started knowing zero, I didn't know nothing, and I made a lot of mistakes. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. And it's more simple that sounds, like buy on the red and sell on the green. We do FOMO in, we make a lot of mistakes. And I think I did something here on Twitter about this. Where is it? This Crypto Onboarding Market Insights. Welcome to Crypto. Whether you are brand new or just curious, here how to get started. Plus an analysis of the current market, where it heads up. So I give some details and some stuff like that, but keep in mind with the stuff that I said, and please do be careful. BTC and ETH remain core. Bitcoin as a store value, Ethereum, powering DeFi and programmable assets. But look out for the new rising layers 1, Solana and Sui. Watch for emerging under $1 tokens with strong fundamentals, but be aware of scams. Stay alternative to legislations and ETF trends. They are key driven. Build a diversified crypto portfolio and stay informed. Be 24/7 connect, and that's why smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Twitter and now on TikTok, because I will bring a lot of alpha there. All right? Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next one.